What if I told you that WhatsApp, yes, that same WhatsApp you check every single day can now pay you money? This is not one of those online hustle scams. It is real updates from Meta. WhatsApp just introduced monetization and it's a game changer, especially for content creators like you and me to earn. And I'm here to break it down for you in simple terms. No tech talk, just real gist. For the longest time, people have been building pages and communities on WhatsApp, sharing content, teaching, entertaining, motivating, all for free. But now you can finally earn from it. Whether you're a content creator, a fashion designer, a prayer warrior, or just someone who loves inspiring people, this is for you. And here is how it works. WhatsApp now allows something called a channel. A channel is where you post updates, inspiration, behind the scene, tips, whatever you want. Now, the exciting part is that you can set it up so that people can pay to be part of the channel, like 500, 2,000, 1,000, 5,000, depending on how much you want to charge, depending on how much you are worth. Let's say you're a fashion girly, a kitchen queen, a mindset coach, or someone who just loves to share real talk. You can create a safe space for your people and get paid for your content. Aside from paid channels, WhatsApp is also bringing ads, but don't panic. They will only show up in the updates tab where status and channels live or appear, not in your personal chats or calls. So your messages are still private. And here is another cool part. You can also promote your channel to reach more people. Even if you're starting small, you can still grow. So if you're passionate about something, you can teach it, share it, and get paid for it. You don't need a ring light or studio setup. You just need to start. Use your phone, use your voice, and use your value. Listen, if you have ever poured out your heart online and wondered if it will ever pay off, this is for you. You don't need a million followers, just something valuable and the courage to start. It could be your voice, it could be your story, it could be your tips, faith, or kitchen experiments. And now that content can earn you something back. I have already made a video on how to create a channel and I'm going to be leaving it at the end of this video. So, if you've watched this video to the end, thank you so much for staying with me. Please subscribe for more real life updates like this and don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it. See you in my next video. Bye.